Yahoo! Prof here, and today we've got some more Pokemon pulls. I think it was my phone for work. More specifically, Amazon warehouse deals. And hopefully some legit pulls out of those. So, let's take a look. Alright, so first up from Amazon warehouse, we have this white padded envelope. And it is a Elite Trainer Books. There you guys go. A little bit better light on there, hopefully. Elite Trainer box. Champion's Path. Now you might have noticed something when I turned it there. Yeah, the top isn't even on. So I'm pretty darn confident that this, and Hamlet's here. How's it going, Hamlet? There he is, guys. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? You good? You doing good? So now this is not big enough. I'm on the bigger Gorilla Pod, but I guess slide her out. Yeah, there's no way that that's unopened and not tampered with. I'm sorry, but the top isn't even in the right spot. Energy cards. There's still no Charizard. And then let's check one of these packs out. There's supposed to be 10 in this one. I guess here's 2 packs. Hey look, they're both opened. You gotta chill, buddy. Yeah, so they're both opened. Let's see what we've got from them. Carvana, Swablu, Sizzlepede, Weedle, Glaring Zigzagoon, Reverse Auspicious Food, Hatterene, the exact ones you always see in here, plus an online code card. At least I didn't take that. They might have just used it though. Hamlet's being a turd because I'm not giving him attention because I just started this. He, by the way, has gotten a ton of pets because Preston was just over. Yeah, he got a ton of pets and attention. So don't worry, he has not been starved of pets or attention. If you can hear that, he's climbing my chair now. Let's check out this second pack here. Yeah, of course. Well, now the desk is clean. Here, I'll show that. The side workbench. This is not going to be like my laptop PC repair side. Is now, even under the floor, is fully cleaned up. Now this guy has plenty of places to go when I try and do videos like this. So let's take a look here. We got a Rockruff, Full Heal, Scraggy, Ekans, Kakana, Centiskorch, very common. Machamp, not nearly as common I would say as a one that they repack with, but you know. So they make it look like it's, I guess, if you open the packs, but in there they also, they always open the bottom, put them top in so you can't see that, and then they just fold it over. That's enough when you jam it in there to hold the cards in and make it not sound like I've shown you multiple times. The guy actually had high hopes till I saw this box was literally not even put on the correct way. So, yeah, no point in going any further with this because it's pointless. So next up here, I'm just holding this guy. We have some Shining Fate stuff that I fear is not legit. Because what this is these are the tins. They feel like literally nothing is in them. Which That would, like, I don't think I've had anything come yet that literally has nothing in it, but wouldn't surprise me. Yeah, there are a whole bunch of these that came on the market just slightly after the Pikachu V boxes came on the market, and it's like a 2.5 week after the launch. So I just have this feeling that what people are doing is they're pre-ordering, buying, getting them, ripping all the good cards out, and sending them back because they're in like batches of a lot. Like on the normal, I can't imagine people have a reason to return tins. We'll see though. If they go well, we might order more. If they don't go well, they're all going back, and I probably won't even bother ordering any more of these Shining Fates tins. But this just shows, if this is how I think it's gonna be, like how just scummy people are with this. Why? Like, I'm surprised Amazon puts up with it. You know? It's essentially stealing, one would think. But let's give her a shot. Hopefully there's actual cards in there that aren't opened and whatnot. Alright, so here's the first one. We got our old Craftsman knife. Picked a bunch of those up. These are like $5 or less by the time. They're not very good. I mean, they lock back tight. This blade's kind of loose, but they do also quick change, unlike the EABs, which for around here is much nicer, since I change in blades fairly frequently. So to me, this is so light it doesn't even feel like there's a card in it. Idle Goss, yep. Not even, so they're just stealing packs and returning them. Wow. And this was supposed to come to me for probably, it was somewhere in the range of $40, I think. Some of them are now going for $60. Yeah, so these Edelgast tins that I felt like they literally felt like nothing was in them. Seems to be there is literally nothing in them. So whoever checked these at Amazon maybe needs to read the back of the box. Tin, I guess, if they're even given enough time to do that. Because it very clearly says 1 of 3 foil cards, 6, holy shit, normally these are 4, 6 boosters, and a code for online, and it's just empty. I told Preston when it came in, it felt as if it were just empty. Here's the second one, nothing in there. Like, so this isn't even like, oh, the box was damaged. As you've seen, some of the stuff I get from Amazon Warehouse is in that way as it says. This, however, just literally nothing in it. Why? If they ever ask me about it, I am literally opening on stream with you guys. Or not stream, a video with you guys. So here is a bolt. This has some weight to it. You can hear it in there. I'm guessing why on launch they might just literally steal the packs out of them is because they don't have repack stuff. Like, they don't have... Some of these guys actually try to repack it with cards of that gen. Essentially. Bolt on V. Nice big whack there on the side. You guys can see that. Pretty hard to... There's a nice big whack right there, though. There's Bolt Dund. And we're wide open. Rusted Sword, Idle Goss, Star Trick, Spinner Hack, Energy, Snom, Horsey, Roulette. Yeah, nothing Not even an online card to be seen. Why Amazon resells these when they're literally just emptied of anything of any value for, in some cases, more than the original MSRP? Because they're adjusting for, you know, trends of what that should cost, but they're assuming that the contents of this are legitimate, where in this case, they're fucking not. There's just nothing in it. That's going straight back. To retape that, which really doesn't put me, like, I highly doubt this actually has anything in it then too, you know? Yep, so people are literally just buying these, taking out the hollows, rares, and online cards, and sending them back to Amazon saying they're damaged or something. And I can tell you with how I know how hard these are to get through Amazon themselves. So a lot of these have to be third-party sellers. Those I would not want to be a third-party Pokemon seller. I mean, you're making a bunch of bank theoretically, because, you know, but with the amount of these that I see going through Amazon warehouse, and these are exactly what I thought they would be. Yep, people literally just buying them, taking the good cards out, and returning them. Saying, or some of them say like new, even like not even damaged. That's obviously not the case, guys. So makes me quite sad inside, you know, quite sad indeed. Well, I'm gonna get all these boxed back up with the other stuff, so I can take it back to Amazon tomorrow. So do you guys even think it's worth me trying to get these through Amazon warehouse anymore, or like so close to launch? Because as you've seen, I have definitely gotten stuff, but like every Champion's Path, anything pretty much except that one for Marnie was bad. Like they even took the mat out that I didn't even know was supposed to be in there until I got a legitimate one. With these, they're very obviously like just stealing shit out of them, you know? Like there were two tins there that I got that literally do not even have a booster in there. Like they felt too light, and they were, because all the boosters were gone. Like Amazon has to not even be bothering to check, which sucks. Hopefully they don't hold it against me. I mean, they say I can just return it, which because it's Amazon warehouse. But yeah. Let me know how you feel about the scummy people that do bullshit like this. Down below. Personally, that's you know, like if I, generally speaking, if I if I buy something off of Amazon warehouse and it says it's just boxes damaged or something, I assume it's coming as it should be with the contents, just box damaged. You've seen some of the ones that are like that I've opened up and had good luck with, actually, really good luck. And some of these other ones are just so sketchy. Like even if I do open them, sometimes they're just so sketchy. So, well, if you enjoyed it, you know, throw a like, comment down below, subscribe. Hopefully see some of this in the future. Hopefully I can actually get some Shining Fates legitimate 10s, one of each. That'd be nice. If any of you have a line on that, let me know. Appreciate it. And, you know, hit me up over on Twitter at the Prophecyst for other code cards. Not obviously because there weren't any in here. And we'll see you next time. Peace.